I am Bettina Vollmerhausen. I'm the co-founder and tool goddess at the Ottawa Tool Library. The Ottawa Tool Library is a not-for-profit organization run by volunteers, and I have to say we have an amazing team of volunteers who pull off incredible events. Our repair cafes pull in over 200 people. We have 45 volunteers who come out, spend their whole day. It's a great community event. We run repair cafes monthly. On a monthly basis, people can come and register. It is a free event where you come in with your item that needs to get repaired, and then you will get paired up with whoever can actually deal with your problem item that you bring in. When we're open, we have tool librarians on site. They are the people who check you in and out, just like at the book library. We have tool ninjas, and those ninjas, they come and help you and be your project advisor, actually. So many times we have members come in and go, I saw this on Pinterest, I want to build this for my kids. So then they give you advice. Maybe you want to start out with this item first and then come in next Saturday and then we'll help you with the next one. So there's really a great sense of community building and helping each other out as well. We're very excited to be part of the home show this coming January, actually. The Ottawa Tool Library will be on hand. We will be holding various workshops. It's always the same workshop, but we're holding them every single day we're there. And it is an introduction to power tools, where you learn to use some tools and you actually end up building a triangular shelf. As well, we're having something we call tool time, where we will bring a bunch of tools that people might not otherwise have seen before or have at home, and they get to try them out as well. So there'll be some tool ninjas on hand to help you, to give you some guidance on how to use them properly, and you get to see what we have in our inventory as well.